In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find low competition products on Amazon FBA that actually have the potential to make you consistent profits. This is the exact method that I've used myself, and the best part is that it doesn't take hours of research or expensive tools to get started. The first thing you need to do is head over to your Amazon marketplace of choice and open up the Best Sellers tab. What this does is give you a direct view into what's already selling really well on Amazon right now. But here's the thing. If you stop at the top-level categories like home, kitchen, or electronics, you're only going to see products that are already super saturated and way too competitive. That's where most beginners get stuck, because competing with thousands of established sellers is nearly impossible. Instead, the smart move is to dive deeper. Start clicking into the subcategories that appear on the left side of the page. Every time you click into another subcategory, you're niching down further, which means the competition usually gets lower. For example, instead of just looking at home and kitchen, go into storage and organization, then maybe drawer organizers, and keep drilling down until you start spotting products that aren't instantly obvious or overrun with sellers. Now, once you're in these deeper categories, you'll notice a lot of interesting products you might not have thought about before. Some of them are selling surprisingly well without having hundreds of reviews. That's exactly what you want to pay attention to, because it means demand is already there, but the competition hasn't fully caught on yet. But here's an even better shortcut. Instead of just looking at the best sellers page, scroll to the top and click on New Releases. This section shows you the newest products on Amazon that have already started selling really well, even though they've only just been launched. These products usually have just a handful of reviews, sometimes even none, but they're climbing the charts fast. That's a huge signal that the niche could still be wide open for new sellers like you. Before you order inventory, always confirm demand. Tools like Helium 10, Jungle Scout, or even free extensions can help you see if sales are steady every month. Once demand is verified, look for ways to improve the product, maybe better packaging, clearer instructions, or a small feature customers want. To save even more time, use Sell the Trend. It gives you powerful insights to quickly filter out high-competition products and uncover hidden, low-competition gems. You'll see what's trending, how competitive it is, and whether it's worth selling, without wasting hours on research. There's a free 14-day trial, link in the description, so make sure you test it out and start practicing this method weekly. That's how you'll consistently find products that aren't saturated and give yourself a real shot at success with Amazon FBA.